Welcome to TLC Farm, a gathering place for communities to deepen into relationships with each other and the land and build a culture of resiliency. We host many events, including yours.
Hi, I'm Jenny at Tryon Life Community Farm, and I'm here putting horse manure plaster on the Mini Moon, which was our 2017 VBC project. This year, 2018, is our 15th year of hosting projects. So let's go check them out.
This is the Mini Moon and the sanctuary and our greenhouse and the sauna. This is our composting toilets and the tea well. This is our rocket stove in the outdoor kitchen where events are hosted and held.
So join us this year, June 1st through 4th, for two different projects. One is going to all the different natural building sites on the land and doing some plastering, tending, generally making them a little more awesome.
And our other project is a well pond here in the west of the land, beneath this beautiful cliff face. We'll have stairs, stone stairs, coming up through an archway of wattle fence and into this area, this circle of reflection and prayer and contemplation, and a bench to sit on and reflect.
Also join us for one of the evenings coinciding with our annual Bloom Festival. So we are hosting the Village Blooming Convergence. Song circles, music, food, great people, generally a good time.